Peace Queens, we now include BPA-free plastic applicators with each Yummy Yoni Pearl cleanse. I'll show you how to insert one full cleanse, which is 3 Yummy Yoni Pearls. However, if this is your first time cleansing with Yummy Yoni Pearls, start with only 1 Yummy Yoni Pearl on your first cleanse. Now, before we start, always shower first, read the directions in full, and wash your hands. Use coconut oil if you're dry. Step 1 is to remove the Yummy Yoni Pearls from the packaging. Unravel all 3 strings. At the end, I've tied each string together. Also, remember to keep an eye on the strings too. The next step is to drop each Yummy Yoni Pearl into the applicator and click it shut. In a comfortable position of your choice, insert the applicator. Push the Yummy Yoni Pearls into your vagina and remove the applicator. Allow the strings to hang out. Once your Yummy Yoni Pearls are inserted, you shouldn't feel them at all. You can shop online at prettykittyboutique.net. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!